What up, pandas? It's Sleepy Pandas here, back with another video. Today we will be doing slime pet peeves part 2. Hope you guys enjoy. First pet peeve is when they poke with one finger. Second pet peeve is when they do not pop the bubbles. Third pet peeve is when the slime is like way too sticky. Second pet peeve is when they poke the slime way too fast. Number whatever, I forgot. Number whatever is when their camera is too wobbly. Okay guys, so that was number 4. No, that was number 5. Now going on to number 6. Number 6 is when they're really furious with their slime. Number 7 is when they breathe too loud in the background.